Harrison coming to you from Cloud Expo in Santa Clara, California. And I'm joined now by Kathy Minter, President of Cordys Americas. Welcome, Kathy.
Hi, Erin. Nice to be here again.
Good to see you again. I last saw you at the Javits Center at Cloud Expo back in May. So what's been happening with Cordys since then?
Yeah, I mean, I can't believe the time's passed so quickly.
Seriously,
it's been a
it's already
really
November.
exciting year. I mean, we're obviously continuing to expand, our growth in North America, and we're seeing, just a real excitement around the business process capabilities that Quartus is providing, to companies for leveraging the cloud.
Mm-hmm.
So a lot of things that we're seeing is obviously there's infrastructure providers and a lot of abilities to bring your business to the cloud, but once you're there, what do you do with the information in terms of connecting various pieces of information in a business process that can help run your business?
Okay, and what aspect of cloud is Cordys focused on? I mean, obviously it's the business side. Tell us about that.
What we're trying to do is help companies leverage their existing investments. An example of this is, a company that has existing ERP or premise-based applications still, housed within their four walls of their data center. Although they've also taken advantage of cloud-based applications like Salesforce.com.
Mm-hmm.
Where Quartus plays is really to help companies bridge the gap between their premises and their cloud-based solutions and link things together to create a business process. Another industry, trend that we're seeing is the ability to really merge social networking capabilities and collaboration that you would normally see in a consumer sector now into the daily lives of business workers.
Mm-hmm.
So an area of this is, in CRM applications would be one that would be leading, where you can use new sort of collaboration technologies that you would see on a Facebook or a Twitter or something like that and bring that to a business application. So that's kind of exciting because it's really helping workers leverage the cloud technologies not only in their daily life but also their life at the office. And it's really about agility and productivity and how employees and customers are going to interact with companies in the future.
Okay, great. What's sort of been the buzz at this Cloud Expo here in Santa Clara? What have you been hearing people talk about? Any common trends?
Yeah, well, I mean, it's interesting because it's so prevalent that, the cloud, as I said the last time we were here, the cloud's here to stay, and the
Mm-hmm.
companies that can take advantage of it are going to have a competitive advantage. And we're seeing more and more, but it really is a fixture now, and I think where I see this going is it's not about the cloud, whether you're going to be with, go with the cloud or not with the cloud, but what do you do with the cloud?
Mm-hmm.
And that's kind of where we've been trying to focus on how do you leverage the cloud now to do new and innovative things, how to, as they say, the democratization of workers. So trading partners and customers and suppliers who couldn't necessarily leverage doing business with large companies, let's say, for example, in the past, now have the ability to leverage the cloud to interact very directly with businesses of a larger size, which is really, let's say, expanding the capabilities to all small, medium-sized businesses and other companies out. And that's, I think, a huge trend that we're seeing, which is really exciting. I think it's bringing a lot of value to the marketplace in general.
Okay, and that actually brings me to the next topic here. You're talking at Cloud Expo about the business value of cloud. So give us a sneak preview of what you're going to be talking about.
Well, I kind of thought about, there's all the technical or a lot of technology at this conference, and what I like to focus on was what is it really bringing to your business?
Mm-hmm.
And so you think about kind of the economic and the business value, and the economic value is you can save money by bringing things into the cloud. Because like I said, once you're there and you have, let's say, yourself set up in a cloud environment, how do you then leverage it to the next level of business value? So improving customer service, improving employee retention,
Mm-hmm.
Providing better productivity, expanding your marketing message. However, those kind of extra things that I would define as business value really comes with the next generation or the next level of cloud services and what people will be doing with the cloud, and that really extends to both the data centers, the computers, as well as mobile devices and people out and about.
Okay, and what are you seeing in terms of what is driving adoption for enterprises? Are they still sort of apprehensive, or are you seeing more adoption?
We're definitely seeing more adoption because I think there's cloud-based applications that people don't even realize are the cloud, and then so that's one
Yeah, that's a good
area.
point.
The other thing is obviously the cost savings and just the tough economic times that we went through. Really, it's an imperative that they look for ways to be more efficient and provide better utilization of their plants and equipment, look for better agile ways of doing business. So the cloud is a perfect venue for that. And as I always said, it's just the cloud isn't a place you go. It's a set of enabling technologies that I think really help companies do more with less. I think that's really the theme: is how do you be more efficient and drive more value to the bottom line. And I think that'll continue to be the driver for any kind of new technology wave that comes about. So I see that definitely with the cloud.
All right, thanks, Kathy. Very well said. I've been speaking with Kathy Minter, president of Cordys Americas. I'm Erin Harrison, coming to you from Santa Clara, California at Cloud Expo.